Hello everyone, welcome back to Perfect Choice Nursery's YouTube channel. My name is Paula. Today we are in Los Angeles, California. I'm going to be going to a few different plant shops today. Let that motorcycle pass. It's a nice little foreshadowing because we are actually going to be going on a motorcycle to 3 plant shops. My boyfriend knows how to ride a motorcycle and I'm just going to be in the back seat, holding on tight, and just going to be visiting some plant shops that I have not visited before. These plant shops are a little bit on the outskirts of Los Angeles, which is in a way why I haven't gone yet because it's a little far. I'm going to put all the Google Maps, all the information in the description below so you guys can check it out. Alright, so let's head on over to our first stop. What's our first stop? Oh, the Cactus Store. Alright, let's go. Southern California. But I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to your phobia? Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing. Ooh, it's all or nothing. Holy cow. That was a really hot ride. Oh my god, I am sweating everywhere. Okay, so we finally arrived at Cactus Store here. It is actually really close to Echo Park. I came to LA back in March and I was just driving around and I saw it randomly and I'm like, oh my god, I have to save it. I saved it on Google Maps and now I'm here. I'm excited to show you guys. It's freaking hot. Okay, let's go inside. It's like, you never know if it's gonna sting you back or something.
Yeah. Like it even has little hairs on it.
Yeah, but I think that's for flies. I'm pretty sure that one's like for flies. Like if they land on it, it eats it. That's what I'm guessing. I don't know. Melody would love this store. Look at this huge side part. p.m. and it's like, how much?
Apparently on this motorcycle it says 181 degrees outside.
Hi, alright, so we just reached our second stop, which is Folia Collective. So Folia Collective and the Cactus Shop is only 12 minutes away from each other, depending on traffic. And I've never been here. I'm pretty excited to come in here. They have an amazing Instagram. So I'm excited to see all of that stuff in person. So let's head inside.
So this is our last stop now before, I guess, heading out to Malibu. So we're heading over there because it's a little bit cooler. It's like 108 over here or something, and it's like 94 in Malibu. I mean, compared to Florida, that's way better. But yeah, it's scalding over here. It's like so bad that when like, usually in Florida, when it's hot, you basically open up so this way you can get a little bit of like wind on your face. When we do that here, it's hot air that just comes in, so we keep it closed and locked up just because we don't want to get that like hot heat.
What'd you think of the plant shop here?
AC is nice. Yeah, the plant shop is cool here because there's a lot of cool knickknacks and everything like that. That's something that I particularly enjoy, is also seeing, yes, the beautiful plants. I'm a bit spoiled with that because of your nursery, but it's also cool seeing like pretty objects that go along with it, because that's equally as curated as the plants or the pots that they're there with.
All right, awesome. Thanks, baby.
Yeah.
All right, we made it to the last stop, Greenwood. I really wasn't expecting to come here. It is way too hot. It is 107 degrees, 1 p.m., the extreme heat. You guys, I do not recommend doing this on a motorcycle at the end of summer, but here we are. It was about 20 minutes from Folia Collective, and right after this, we're going straight to Malibu and feeling that ocean breeze, maybe even dipping our toes in the water because it is I can't. You guys already know how hot it is. All right, so let's go inside Greenwood and check it out. Alright, so we're here at Joan's on 3rd, which is right next to the Growers Plant Shop. And it is so freaking hot. We came here to like cool off. We got ourselves a really delicious lemonade. I was even walking through the cooler section and I opened the freezer door and I was just like trying to cool off. I looked back and they got mad at me. They got mad at me because they're like, don't do that. I'm like, alright, sorry. But I'm just like, I'm way too hot. I'm like still really hot. We're also cooling off our phones because our phones are burning up also on the ride. So now we're finally going to be on our way to Malibu and it's going to be a lot cooler over there. How long is that? That's like an hour drive. It's going to be like an hour drive over there. And if there's a place where I could buy a bathing suit, I might do that and just jump in the water. Oh my god. We have arrived at our first stop in Sequoia. It's just a viewpoint. What is it called? Say hi, everyone.
Hola.
I feel like I'm a park ranger. Junior ranger.
Pepsi. We're heading the right
He
way.
said that this is the last week of... We have made it to the Big Forest Museum. This is the ginormous sequoia tree that we see up front.